In this video, we are going to go over how to edit the run screens on the Pro 1200 display that is now on the 260 series combines. This is important for the customer to make sure that they have their user-defined windows or their UDWs on the proper screen, as well as naming different run screens to make sure that they can understand what is on their display when they're looking at it. So first thing you need to do is just click and hold on one of the run screens in the bottom. Click and hold for about 3 seconds, let it go, and then you will see the edit mode. Would you like to enter edit screen layout mode? And then select yes. Once you select yes, you will see here that it will go into the edit mode. On the left hand side here, you have different UDWs that you can add there. If you scroll down, you just simply click on that plus, and then you have different settings that you can choose from. So here we could add, if you expand on feeder, just click on feeder speed, and then feeder speed will now be in the left-hand area. So if there is a UDW that you do not want on the left-hand area, you just simply click on that trash can when it is highlighted blue, and then that UDW will be deleted from the left-hand area. The same thing goes for the main screen area here. This is where you can add in different UDWs to your main area. So as you can see here, we have average yield. So say we want to delete that, just simply click the trash icon, that will be deleted. So now we want to go back in and say we want to add average yield again. Just simply click on the plus. We will go to the combine, and then we will select on average yield. You have the same option for many different functions that are on the combine. So if we just click on delete here at flow, click on the plus, you can see all of the different UDWs that can be selected from. Next, what we want to look at is editing of the run screen tabs. So if you just simply click on the 3 there, this is where you can go in and rename that run screen. So say we want this run screen to be yield. It is just showing all of our yield metrics from the combine. We type in yield, click apply, and then you can see at the bottom here that it now says yield on that run screen. So then when you are tabbing through the different run screens, you can name one as guidance, you can name one as harvest command, to make sure that you aren't flipping through all of the different run screens. You are just simply clicking on the correct one first. Another thing that you can do now within the Pro 1200 display is group UDWs all into one area. So what does that mean? So if you go in here, click on the plus, and now I want to click on combine, and I want to show all of the average information from the combine. So I want to show flow, moisture, and yield. So in the top one, you will simply click the average flow. And the third one down, you would click the plus again, combine, go to moisture, average moisture, and then the 2 down from that as well, click on combine, and then we have average yield. So now that we have these 3 listed here, click and hold, and then you will pull it up to the bottom until you can see there is a blue plus, and then simply drop. Now it will create a group. Take average yield, do the same exact thing, and you can drop it in to this area right here by seeing that plus, and then now you have a group. Within that group, you simply click on that pencil icon, and then you can change the name of that group. So we're going to name this one average. So now it is named to average, and we have that here as well. So say we have this and we want to add another group of UDWs as well. We click on that plus icon, and then now we want to have it say crop settings. So we can have broken grain sensitivity, and we will have that here. Click and hold again, and hold it to the right hand side here. And then now it'll create a separate folder within that group. So if you go back to the top folder here, you'll see your average, and then you go to click on the bottom folder, and then now you can add in more UDWs to the second folder. So we'll add in some more here. We will add in clean, and then we will add in fan speed. Hold, and then pull it in here to the plus, and then it'll pop in there. You can do that for another UDW. For this example, we'll just show 2 here. Once you are done editing your run screen, just simply click the X in the bottom right hand corner, and then it will save that layout that you have set up. So now we have it pulled up here. All the UDW changes are saved. We see that we have yield for the run screen 3. We've renamed that to yield. You can see that there. And then on 7, which we are on now, you can see where we did those UDW groups.